Imagine discovering that the healthy meal you rely on every day is quietly dissolving the protective shield of your smile. Not candy, not soda. I'm talking about foods hiding in your own kitchen that millions eat with absolute trust, while erosion happens silently below the surface. The item at number 3 on this list likely touched your lips this morning. Welcome to Healthy Lifestyle. In the next few minutes, we are exposing 5 everyday foods that compromise your dental armor. We'll look at the exact chemical reactions causing the damage and, most importantly, how to protect yourself without giving up everything you love. Before we dive in, understand this. Sugar is only half the story. The real villain is acid. Acid is the relentless force that chews through your enamel, the hard mineral shell protecting your nerves. And here is the harsh truth. Once enamel is gone, it is gone forever. Your body cannot regenerate it. So this list is really a catalog of the most powerful acid attacks you face daily. Some foods deliver acid directly. Others feed bacteria that excrete acid as waste. The result is identical. Enamel thins, teeth weaken, and the damage becomes permanent. Let's begin at number 5. Number 5 surprises health-conscious viewers most. Citrus fruits, oranges, grapefruits, lemons. We worship these for vitamin C and they are great for your body. But few realize citrus sits between pH 2 and 4 on the acidity scale. Your enamel starts dissolving at pH 5.5. Lemon juice can be more acidic than stomach acid. When you eat citrus, that acid coats every tooth surface. And here is the critical mistake: brushing immediately afterward. It feels logical, but the acid has softened your enamel. Brushing in that weakened state scrubs away the surface layer. Dentists call this toothbrush abrasion, a leading cause of enamel loss in otherwise healthy adults. The fix? Wait 30 minutes before brushing. Rinse with plain water right away. Use a straw for lemon water. Citrus is manageable with awareness. What comes next is far more dangerous. Number 4 is red wine. Red wine has been marketed as the sophisticated antioxidant-rich choice. Yet every sip bathes your teeth in acid. The damage goes beyond erosion. Red wine contains sticky molecules called tannins that glue themselves to your teeth. Then dark pigments called chromogens attach to those tannins, creating deep grayish-purple stains that penetrate beyond the surface. And white wine drinkers don't relax yet. White wine often has an even sharper acidic punch, sometimes dropping to pH 3. How do you fight back? Alternate each glass of wine with a glass of water. Eat cheese alongside it. The calcium helps neutralize the acid surge. Now we arrive at number 3, the one you almost certainly had today. Coffee, your morning brew sits around pH 5, right on the danger threshold. But acidity is just the first problem. Coffee is also clingy. It's packed with tannins, and because most people sip slowly over an hour, those compounds have plenty of time to bond. Third, coffee dries out your mouth and reduces saliva flow. Saliva is your natural defense system against acid. Deprive your mouth of saliva and every other risk multiplies. Add sugar, and you have a perfect storm for decay. The smarter approach? Drink coffee within a shorter window instead of nursing it all morning. Add a splash of milk. The proteins bind to tannins. Chase it with water, and if you drink iced coffee, use a straw. Number 2 blindsides almost everyone. I'm talking about refined carbohydrates. White bread, crackers, chips, pretzels, and pasta. The moment you chew these starchy foods, enzymes in your saliva break them down into simple sugars instantly. These items turn into a sticky paste that wedges deep into the grooves and tight gaps between teeth, precisely where your brush struggles to reach. Bacteria feast on those sugar molecules, launching an acid attack that can last 20 to 30 minutes after a single bite. This is silent, prolonged erosion caused by foods that don't even taste sweet. And now, the number 1 threat. Energy drinks and sports beverages. Here's why they are the absolute worst offender. First, extreme acidity. Some brands test as low as pH 1.5, rivaling stomach acid. Second, the sugar load. A standard bottle can pack over 34 grams. Third, and most deceptive, is the way we drink them. People sip these beverages slowly over long periods for hydration, meaning acid stays in constant contact with teeth for far too long. Dentists now diagnose a condition called sports drink mouth, severe erosion where teeth appear glassy and translucent. So the 5 foods are citrus, wine, coffee, refined starches, and sports drinks. The encouraging news is that you don't have to eliminate them entirely. You just need a smarter strategy. Adjust your habits, add protection, and you can navigate these risks successfully. If this information helped you see your kitchen differently, please tap the like button. It helps healthy lifestyle reach more people. And if you want to know what you should be eating instead, watch this next video on 7 foods that actually strengthen and rebuild your enamel. Subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle so you never miss an update. Take care of that smile. It's the only one you get. Thanks for watching.